changed, and to my mind, there have been a few significant technical changes, namely breaks of trend lines, movements below the 200-day moving average, alongside breaking of numerous sort of support patterns, suggesting that there has been a changing dynamic. We may not immediately move into a massive downtrend long term in bond prices. I'm not calling a top in the bond market here, but there have been a few technical shifts to suggest at least maybe we're moving into a sideways pattern that could eventually lead to a downtrend. Okay, the first of our three charts is the Euro Bund cash chart for the one-day candlesticks. Now we can see there is this rising trend line here. That's been decisively broken. Now the next obstacle was the 200-day moving average, and you can see that that's kind of where we consolidated above 153 for a few weeks. But as of this week, we've broken down through what now looks like a bear flag pattern. And if this bear flag pattern were to bear out its full objective, we'd be looking down towards 145 in a bund, which would be a massive correction, really undoing a large amount of the gains that we've seen in the past year. Next up, we've got UK gilts. Now you can see there's a similar trend line that's been broken here. This is no coincidence. These bond markets have been moving fairly in tandem. The bund did accelerate more than the gilt and more than the US Treasuries, which we're about to have a look at. But you can see that there's still some similar